Good evening. Thank you for joining us. Right now, there are more cases of a serious bacterial disease in Iowa. We know that there have been 30 confirmed cases of Legionnaire's disease since August, with one death. The cases have originated in Marshall County, but county and state health departments have not yet isolated a cause. KCCI's Pepper Purpura explains where they are in finding the cause of this outbreak. Pepper.
Stacy, the state says they're working to find that source, but the water safety expert we spoke with today says answers could take time. As cases climb in Marshall County, experts on the bacteria illness Legionnaire's disease are asking people in the area to pay attention to key symptoms.
If you have a pneumonia-like symptoms, it might not be pneumonia, it might be something else.
Fever, chills, dry cough, stomach pain, and diarrhea could also be signs. According to the state health department, those may not show up until 2 or up to 10 days after a person is exposed. And that's making it harder for state leaders to track down the source, even while working with federal partners. Drinking water safety expert Caitlin Proctor says there are other reasons that search may take time.
It does take time because this organism grows slowly. So like if they take water samples, they're not always going to get results the same day.
Large outbreaks have often been tied to issues in water systems, but Marshalltown Waterworks says the tests are not showing any sign of the bacteria. Proctor says most water treatment systems will kill Legionella, but it's possible the bacteria may show up later down the service line.
This organism then grows out in the distribution system or in buildings or in cooling towers. And it's kind of a natural thing that, if there is biofilm, and there is always biofilm, it's bound to grow there. But even in the best managed systems, it sometimes happens.
Once officials discover the bacteria, their search may still not be complete.
Just because you find Legionella in the system doesn't mean that it's the same that's getting people sick. Or you could find Legionella in your shower, but it's actually from the cooling tower that people are getting sick.
And there's a variety of other possible causes, such as large air conditioning systems, open bodies of water, and more that will have to be investigated as well. Stacy?
A lot of questions remain. Pepper, thank you. And the State Health Department has a disease information page that includes information about Legionella. This includes current cases, the symptoms to watch for, and prevention methods. You can find this information at hhs.iowa.gov. There is a tab at the top that says Health and Prevention. The drop-down list includes the disease information page.